Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the prerequisites. You need a respec method and the game progression that unlocks ascendancies. Once confirmed, open the character sheet and switch to the Ascendancy tab. You will see available ascendancy trees and any locked nodes. Next, pick the target ascendancy you want to change to, because you must plan which points to move. Make sure to note key passive nodes you want to keep or reassign before spending any points. You now perform the middle steps. Use your respec mirror or camp respec to refund passive points until ascent options are clear. Once done, spend points into the new ascendancy tree. Prioritize core keystones and defensive nodes before luxury picks. If you change a party member, bring them to camp or open their sheet in party view, then repeat the refund and respend sequence. Make sure to check synergies with gear and companions while moving points so you don't break build requirements. Finish by confirming your new ascendancy is active. Test abilities in a combat area and verify passive bonuses. If something is locked or points are missing, check level gating, story progression, or whether you exhausted respec charges. Make sure you use the correct respec method. If problems persist, reload a backup save or revert using another respec so you can restore the prior build. One tip: keep a short note of original node choices to speed recovery if you need to undo.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.